Good morning, fam. I woke up like 3.5 hours ago now, and I forgot to record this video. So now I'm done with my work at the computer. I'm at my balcony. I will show you this view. I just wanted to share this with you. Look at this. Look at this stunning view from my balcony. Look how motivating this is. Look at this. Just wow, right? This view, when I first came to Dubai in 2015, actually, my daughter was just 5 weeks old. Very limited money, but I agreed at that time with my wife, that was my dream. It was first time I came to Dubai. Instantly I wanted to move. Instantly. I didn't have money, I didn't have nothing, so I couldn't do it. I just had a regular job. I had my business also, like a cleaning business. It didn't go so good. And my wife, also she loved it, but she didn't want to move. That was my goal since, actually, when I was young, I was always telling my mother, my dream is to move to Dubai when I get older. I didn't know what Dubai was, I saw it in the TV, but this was my dream view. Seeing Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, having the sea view, all this, that was the dream. And now it's just it's a regular Monday. It's Monday morning. I woke up, I did my work at the computer, and we already have some trades running. We send it out in the group, everything. And yesterday, I had a very interesting meeting with some guys from Denmark in a restaurant down here. They have big ambitions. I have so many people texting me, especially from Denmark, because that's where my personal brand is big. We will have a couple of meetings more and maybe close a deal where I will help them. I will put in some time, invest some money and so on, and I think it can be good. Right now I'm investing heavily in other businesses. Maybe not heavily, but I'm investing in businesses. Not just money, but also time. I have the time, I have the resources, not just in money, but also the network, the connections, the brain, most importantly. So that's interesting. I will keep you in the loop, and let's see how it goes. It's a new day. Going to the gym now with Fred, and then we have a lot of content that we will do. I will take you with me behind the scenes, how we do content. Yesterday we did a lot of ads, paid ads. We did a lot of videos. Today we're going to the Palm, and we will do a lot of content for social media. I have English content that I do. I will do in both languages, and it requires a lot of work. How we do content typically is we go to very nice places in Dubai, visit hotels, visit a lot of different places, and then we do a lot of content. And this is the lifestyle. I love it. How can't you love this lifestyle? This is my work. This is what I do for a living. Trade in the morning. That's what I do. I have my morning routine. Yeah, heavy meetings. Typically I finish around 9-10 p.m. Dubai time latest. But yesterday was I had a interview with one of my members, William, and the interview was in Danish. He's from Denmark, and he have been a member of Daytrading for 2 months, I believe he said, around 2 months. And honestly, when I hear these stories, I get more motivated to doing what I do, to helping more people, and I just feel more fire in me. So even if it was very late yesterday for me, I felt so much energy, because when you hear that story, when he told me what he's doing for a living, and how he thought many others trading is a scam, and he believe it's fundamental, because we are when we grow up, we learn, you study, and then you get a job, right? You get a 9 to 5, you start working, and that's how you make money. So everything else that you can make money from your phone or from your laptop or whatever, it's unrealistic for most people. It's too good to be true. But when he took the chance and tried it, and now he said I don't understand why not everybody does this. Have a job, make your money. He made more money in a single day than he made from his work by spending around, he said, less than 5 minutes. So the trades took around 2 hours, less than 2 hours, but he only spent 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. So what he did is, we sent our trades out, He looked at them, he pasted whatever we do, left his phone, went to work, finished his things, opened his phone. He have made more money that day than he do in his job. How amazing is that, right? And we have thousands of people doing the same. So yeah, I'm blessed. Everything is amazing. I love helping people. And yes, again, it's a business. I make money. That's how life is. But it's a win-win. I help you make money. I get a part of it, not from you, but from my partner, you know, the broker, the trading platform. They pay me because they get more members to their platform. It's a win-win-win. Everybody wins here. Get something quick to eat, and then I will see you at the hotel.
Let's get it. Hop off for 16, passing the ditch of D5. No, that's not a challenger.
Let's go. We just arrived to the club, beach club, to relax and do a lot of good content. Let's go. Such a beautiful place. Look at this. I love coming here. Finally we arrived, changed our clothes, and now ready. Always grind mode. Look at this. Fred is grinding. So seriously, what's better than this? You are here, some of the team are working with my iced cappuccino. The weather is nice, we had a great workout, and now we're enjoying life, shooting a lot of content in this amazing place, enjoying life. Like working hard, enjoying life, that's what it's all about. It's freedom, my friends. Freedom. When you learn, when you taste freedom, oh my God, you can't go back. Never. I wish this life for everyone. Everyone deserves this life. But listen, it doesn't come like overnight. This took me years and years of grind and hard work, like months and years without, like I didn't have money. But now I'm here because I didn't give up. So this is like, you can say it's a motivational speak to you. Never give up. Because believe me, out there, nobody will come and tell you, hey, don't give up, and you know, if you fail, just stand up again. You need to tell it to yourself. That's what I did, and now I'm here. Cheers, man. Let's go. We just finished at the beach club. I think we filmed around 50 short videos and some vlog content and so on, some ads. Amazing. We enjoyed everything, and now we are going for dinner. I think I will go home to the family, eat some nice dinner, and let's see what will happen later tonight. So I arrived at the hotel. Here we have the steam room. This is where I come daily, actually. And then we have the sauna. So nice. And after, I will take a shower, change my clothes, and then we are ready for the day. Let's go.
Let's go. We see that hype outside.
Yes. It's very good.
Very good. Does it small like this?
Yes, it film 4K. Look, then I can.
Oh my God.
It's I use it. I will show you actually. Yeah, so the security here at the hotel, they love the cameras, that they wanted to know how it works and so on. They were like, wow, how does this camera work? It's very small. And when I told them the price, they thought it was too much, but I think it's a very fair price. You can see this is the camera. Look at it. What I'm using, very small. It's very good. It's so handy, so easy. I can have it in my pocket. I had a very efficient day. I did a lot of things. We made some good money. Let me show you. And what's interesting is I have a live event today. Look at this, as you can see right there. It's my real trading account. No bullshit as always. And I've made, you can see, $7,000 something today only. You can see this is today. And all these trades were shared with my members for free in Daytrading. And today we have live event for Danish people, only in Denmark, because I will speak Danish. We will also do it in English soon again. In this live event, what I will do is talk with like this is for non-members, so people that want to know how trading works, what we do, what is trading, you know, just overall things about trading. And then what's very exciting is we will have 3 members that will tell their stories. Like people that started from scratch, didn't know anything about trading, they will tell their stories. 100 registration. I didn't do any ads or anything for that, just signed organically. Yeah, I believe like 50 will show up or something, so it's very good. Let's see how it will go. Okay, fam. So it's almost time for the event right now, the live event, and I'm preparing here. I have a couple of messages I need to send to the team that is joining me. I'll record a little bit here and then the rest will be live. Let me just write this message.
When you wrist like this, you don't check the forecast, every day it's gon' rain. Yeah, made a brick do a brick, ain't whip up shit, this pure cocaine.
What's up? What's going to happen?
It's a very nice place. We are going to meet some friends, getting something to eat, and let's see later what we're going to do. We have no idea. Nothing wild, even if this is a very, very wild place in Dubai. Easy peasy, you know? Nothing crazy. Let's see where our guy is.
Nas Beamers, double pocket, fuck pen and meter. In your club, on your couch, stop page here. In your club, rockin' all my favorite.
Guess what all these girls are? These girls are not normal.
Everyday hustle like William, I'm charging the chicken just for the verse, yeah. I get in that kitchen like Chris on the verse, I go berserk, yeah. Go out and get it, secure the city, can't sing like the Titanic.
Let's go! Look at these guys.